Ito yung first try. The second try. The third. At ito yung pang-apat. Perfect. Pinagpawisan. Okay. Ayan. Nakagawa na naman ako ng bago kong merienda. Ulam. Thanks for watching. Meron pala sushi alamari.